Hey, what's up, everybody? Just want to give you a quick video of Ecostella. Sent out a photo a couple days ago about installing this week, and this customer here in Gilbert, we have two Ecostellas, two air handlers to do. And what this unit is, it's going to be more efficient for your fan and also your compressor, help regulate your time and the amount of energy it uses to kick on your AC, which is going to help you save up 10 to 30% over the year, which would be equivalent to $200-300 a year. So new technology that's coming out. A lot of the commercial sector is doing this. One of the reps here are going to be helping install it here in the valley. So if you're interested in getting this put on your AC, I could help you do it, or you could do it yourself. Basically, you got a few different wires here. You got to go to the air handler, separate some of the wires, add it here to the air handler, also take some out and reroute something. So check it out, ecostella.com. Any questions, give us a call. Have a good day.